Have you ever started something, only to be constantly distracted by it until it's finished? Your brain is literally haunting itself. This isn't just about productivity, it's a powerful psychological phenomenon known as the Zeigarnik effect. It means incomplete tasks remain active in your memory, demanding attention until they're resolved. Psychologists found that people remember uncompleted tasks 90% better than completed ones. The hidden power Bluma Zeigarnik, a Russian psychologist, first observed this in a restaurant in the 1920s. Waiters remembered orders still being served far better than those already paid for. This isn't a flaw, it's your brain's evolutionary mechanism to prioritize open loops, pushing you towards completion. This is a core human psychology fact, essential for understanding our cognitive biases. But here's the twist. This powerful cognitive bias can also be your secret weapon against procrastination. Instead of seeing large tasks as overwhelming, use the Zeigarnik effect to your advantage. Start a task, even for just 5 minutes, then step away. Your brain will naturally keep it active, making it easier to return to and complete. Beat procrastination. This psychological trick helps you bypass the initial inertia. The hardest part is often just starting. By initiating the task, you've engaged your brain's natural tendency to seek closure. It's why cliffhangers work in movies and why unfinished projects linger in your thoughts. Think of it as setting a mental reminder that you can't easily ignore. Applying this mind-blowing fact can significantly boost your productivity and help you achieve goals you once thought impossible. Would you use this psychological fact to trick your brain into finishing tasks? Tell me in the comments. If that shook you, wait until you see the next hidden truth about your mind. Follow Stickology for more knowledge.